My name is Andi Bühler. This is the drum code backbeat zone. Today, shuffle groove. With our subdivision, Panama, when we have 3 spots, we are counting Panama, 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 Panama. We're leaving out the middle one. So it's only Panama, Panama, pa, ma, pa, ma, pa, ma, pa. Ma pa, ma pa. That's our shuffle beat. Pa, ma pa, ma pa, ma pa, ma pa, ma pa, ma pa. Which we're going to play with the right hand on the hi-hat or on the right cymbal. Panama, 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 pa, ma pa, ma pa, ma pa, ma pa, ma pa, ma pa. This is part of our constant pattern, which we always repeat in the whole exercise. One thing again is the backbeat coming to in the second group of the first hit, in the first hit of the second group. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This always stays the same. Remind that. Now, the variations happen in the bass drum. So if we go to the 8 combinations plus, you take a look at it in the black spot is always standing for the bass drum. The white spot doesn't mean anything. So it's number 1, you have Panama, 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 Panama. Number 2, Panama, 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 Panama. Clear? Number 3. Panama, 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 Panama. Number 4. Panama, 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 Panama. If we bring it together with a constant pattern, we are playing Panama, 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 pa. Ma pa, ma pa. Number 1. Panama, 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 Panama. Number 2. Go through the whole reading book with a 3-spot section, and you can choose any tempo you like. Go really slow to get it. Or go really fast if you like. You may have recognized that I don't play every hit the same on the hi-hat. Sometimes I play like this. In this case, I do. Playing the pa with the shoulder of the stick and the ma with the tip of the stick. So we have Panama, 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 Panama. That gives a nice downbeat. 1, 2. 1, 2. You can play it with the same sound if you like. But this doesn't fit for every music. Nothing fits for every musical style. So 1, 2, I prefer that. 1, 2, 1, 2. So now we can go on with the backbeat zone, which just means in the second group we don't always play the snare drum on the first hit, like 1, 2, 1, 2. it means we have the whole second group to make variations with the snare drum. The variations always come from the black spots. So now, forget about the variations first. The constant pattern is no longer hi-hat and snare. The constant pattern is only hi-hat. 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's have a look at the 8 combinations, not plus, just the 8 combinations. And we see the first group of 3 is with the bass drum, and the second group is played with the snare. Number 1, you won't recognize it, but number 2, you'll see what I mean. Okay, I'm just gonna play it. You'll get what I like, what I want you to get. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, clear? Okay. Again, choose any tempo. Choose the low tempo just to get the system. And then go up in the tempo, whatever you like. Make little fills in between. For now, I'm going to show you, I'm going to play you the whole page of the 4 groups of 3. Just to get an impression. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And in the end, when you practice all that stuff, you're able to play a real steady shuffle beat. Have fun with it and see you soon. Bye.